वीकेंड आउट के साथ एक नया दिन, एक नया हफ्ता, एक नया शो एंड जब सब कुछ नया है तो पुराना क्या है? सिर्फ मैं। मेरा नाम है गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ वीकेंड आउट। मैं एक रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहा था इस हफ्ते एंड उसमें पता चला है कि डेंटिस्ट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड आर नाउ सेइंग दैट यू मस्ट कीप योर टूथब्रश एटलीस्ट 6 feet away from the toilet. Now this is to prevent all the airborne particles resulting from the flush from reaching your toothbrush. अब देखिए, मुझे पता ही नहीं था। अब ऐसी कितनी सारी बातें होती हैं जो हमें और आपको पता ही नहीं होती हैं। इसलिए अगली बार से जब आप ब्रश करें तो अपने टूथब्रश को कम से कम 6 फुट दूर रखिएगा टॉयलेट से। कुछ चीजें दूर ही अच्छी होती हैं एंड कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो अगर आपको मिल जाए तो आपको उनसे ज्यादा दूर नहीं रहना चाहिए, जैसे कि ईशा गुप्ता। द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ईशा गुप्ता वाज इन दुबई एंड वी कॉट अप विद हर। वो कहते हैं ना, अप क्लोज एंड पर्सनल।
Former beauty queen and model turned actress Isha Gupta has been named as Damas's newest brand ambassador for the company's upcoming Diwali campaign. The Middle East's leading jewelry and watch retailer has signed the 23-year-old Delhi-born beauty for the next 2 years to represent its portfolio of well-known brands which include Legacy, Gehna, Mira, Harmony and Ananya.
Damas is a really well-respected brand. It's been known everywhere. It's a brand that people want to be associated with. It's a brand that people want to buy jewelry of and wear it and be like, oh, this is, if someone asks you, it's like, oh, I'm wearing Damas. So for me, it was a really happy moment when I got to know that Damas wants me on board as the brand ambassador. Well, see, when you're doing a film, right, we're always playing a character. No matter what, Isha Gupta is never Isha Gupta. I've played Janvi, I've played Sanjana, I've played Riya. This is, in Damas, I'm playing Isha Gupta. So the whole jewelry brand is on my shoulders. I have to do full justice to the jewelry because when you're associated, as I said, with such brand, you can't let go of it ever. You want to take it further with you because it's such a brand. And Damas is not a brand which no one knows. I think everyone knows about it. Like, we know about it. As I always say in everything, I like things which are understated. I don't like things which scream on the top of the world, okay, look at us. For me, even this jewelry piece, it's nice and it's big, but it's not screaming for attention, I feel. Because they make it really beautifully. They make it with a lot of hard work.
The starlet will appear in print ads recently shot in Mumbai and a television commercial that was filmed under the direction of Academy Award nominee Ashutosh Gowarikar in Udaipur, India. Headquartered in Dubai, Damas is the Middle East's leading jewelry and watch retailer. An ongoing commitment to setting benchmark standards in quality, craftsmanship and customer service have enabled Damas to win many prestigious awards.
It's one brand, I have to say, which doesn't only look in the creators of the jewelry, that okay, we want our jewelry to look like this. They even go into the details of how the campaign should look like, which you can see the campaign's been a huge success. I mean, the commercial, if you look at it, they've taken the best of best director. They've taken Ashutosh Gowarikar, the Oscar nominated, who doesn't know him? They've taken Suresh Natarajan, one of the best photographers, and you'll see they picked up the best of pieces, and the way they've shown it was all their creatives. And I'm really glad that a brand goes into such detailing because everything from D to S is Damas.
अच्छा, अब since we started the show on a filmy note, मैं सोच रहा हूँ थोड़ी सी फिल्मी बातें और हो जाएं. So I thought we'll take a look at some of the upcoming films that we're really excited about.
फिल्म स्टार अरमान कपूर की गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट कल रात सीफेज रोड पर हुआ. इस दुर्घटना में उनका देहांत हो गया.
ये बहुत ही हाई प्रोफाइल केस है. कुछ भी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए जब तक ये केस सॉल्व नहीं हो जाए. समझ गए आप लोग?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
रोजी. मैं आपकी बहुत काम आ सकती हूँ.
क्या सोचता है, क्या महसूस करता है, मुझे कभी कुछ नहीं बताता।
पता नहीं क्या ढूंढ रहा हूँ। ऐसा लगता है सारे जवाब मेरे सामने हैं लेकिन मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहे।
अगर ये गेम सही पड़ गया ना तो अपन दोनों यहाँ से कट सकते हैं।
तुम्हारे लिए एक मैसेज है मेरे पास।
मैंने तुमसे बोला था ना दूर रहना। बोला था कि नहीं? लेकिन सर अगर ये लड़की इन्वॉल्व है तो फिर ये आपकी मदद क्यों कर रही है?
We go by many names and take many forms. We bring wonder and hope. We bring joy and dreams. We are the Sandman and the Tooth Fairy. We are the Easter Bunny and Santa. And our powers are greater than you ever imagined. It is our job to protect the children of the world. For as long as they believe in us, we will guard them with our lives. Everyone to the sleigh! Buckle up!
Where are the bloody seatbelts?
Ha! That was just expression. Here we go! Everyone loves the sleigh.
DreamWorks Rise of the Guardians.
So watching some films may be a good idea to take a break from the monotony of life, and right now I think it might be a good idea for us to take a break as well, but the show continues even on the other side. Do come back.